Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz back with another hot crypto project. You can see I just want to talk about RaceFi. So what is RaceFi? What is the future of RaceFi? And all the related link you will be get in the description. So you can check all them one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about most trusted and reliable project. So if you do your own research before investing in any project, and if you want to earn money from this project as simply just for playing, and if you want to just play a game and you will be make a money, then I will be uploaded second video about that. But right now I just want to talk about the get listed at KuCoin World Premium. So you can see right here, RaceFi gets listed on KuCoin. This is a notification from a KuCoin main Twitter account. And also if you are new to the channel, so make sure please subscribe my channel for more interesting video, and also hit the bell icon. You won't miss an update from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. So right here you can see, dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. RaceFi is now available on KuCoin. So this is already listed because you know the trading will be alive on 22 December on 2021. So if you look to this deposit effectively immediately supported network SPL Solana, and if you look to withdraw will be on 24th December. It means that if you want to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange, if the RaceFi already listed on that coin that exchange, then we will be able to easily withdraw on 24th December from the KuCoin. So if you already look to the main circular total supply, market cap, and total supply and 24-hour volume, and if you look to the main because this is introduction to the RaceFi, is the first ALML integrated car racing game on the Solana ecosystem. Within RaceFi metaverse, players can earn while enjoying various game mode to satisfy their thirst for speed, make a profit by owning in-game property, pure race or battle race, PvP or PvE, or racer or gamblers. The possibilities are endless. Our mission is to provide player with the most imaginative gaming experience and the most profitable monetization option possible, while also fostering the development of the Solana ecosystem and the widespread adoption of the blockchain technology. So this is just simply they says that this is a racing game on the Solana ecosystem, and also they want to discuss about the metaverse player can earn while enjoying various game modes. So there's, I think so, different type of modes. If you want to go and you will be directly play them and you will be make money from them. But because you know, if you want, if anytime you will be on any type of game, then that time you will be get some different type of reward from them. So I just want to go to right now the coin market cap of the RaceFi. You can see this is a token, and in 24-hour low and high is 0.8425 and 0.9255. So if you look, I already told about this work on Solana, and if you look to the all-time high of this token right here, you can see this is all-time high of this token. You can see 0.9255. It is 40 minutes ago, 4.03% right now off. And if you look to this main type of market is, I just want to click on that right here. So if you want to buy this one token, you will be able to buy this one token from KuCoin and Iridium. So this is also, I think so, exchange you will be buy this one token from here, but I highly recommend you must buy this one token from KuCoin because it is too easy to trade. You can do easy trade on that. And after that, just I want to go to main Twitter account of this project. You can see Right here, the community of this project is 68.9k followers, so this is too much better, because if any token have a more community, that means they have a more potential, because it's all depend upon the community. So right here, just I want to come back to the main website, but I already told about that. But right now again I said that if you want to play this one game, I will be uploaded second video about that, but right now I just want to give you review of this project. So right here you can see I already welcome to the new metaverse, car garage, car gas station, racetrack, land, and new. You can win crypto prizes and own part of the game you love to play. So if you look to let's race, so if you click on that, you can see right here this will be road coming soon. So I just want to scroll down right here. RaceFi is the first AL per ML cars racing game on the Solana ecosystem. Within the RaceFi metaverse, player can earn while enjoying various I already told about that. I will be already introduced about this overview of this game. So just I want to click on the video, because this is also too much important. But right here I just want to switch off the sound of this video, and we want to just wait for that, because I just want to give you the main overview of this project, because how much this project is best. So we just wait for that, and after that I just want to give you right here new era of racing on blockchain. So this will be give you introduction about the car on to race, play to earn. So I already told about that. You will just play and you will make a money from there. Welcome to the new metaverse. So I think this is a car, and if you look, they were working on that. After that there will be changed to a solid body. So RaceFi upcoming on October. So this is already, because if you want to click on that right here, I just want to click here, and after that if you want to click on that, then they will be directly route here coming soon. But we just wait for that. After that I just want to racing the metaverse. There's you can see right here they want to place a map, console of the player, showroom, and car gas station, and pro party, and garage. So after that I just want to give you a gameplay pure race. For PvE mode, player will drive and control the car to overcome challenges along the road within the limited time to win the prize of KuCoin and experience point. For PvP mode, to ensure the fairness and reduce the undesired effect of the real life environment on the game, the race will run in a blockchain. So right here I just want to give you some detail about the game assets. You can see they have a many different type of maps and cars, and you can see land and gas station and garage and billboard lands. So right here I just you also know, because roadmap is also too much important, because we want to check out them what can then done in the past and what will be the future planning of this project. So I just want to talk about right now. So 2021 they also done the graphic designer, website debut and game development, and 2021 they also do the smart contract development, building RaceFi community, marketplace development, and after that we have to look 2021 building RaceFi community, cars showroom development, smart contract audit. They also do that. But if you look to the on 2021 they also do a RaceFi token public sale. They also done that on multiple platform, NFT car release phase 3 and 4. But if you look to the 2022, this is the first question of 2022, and if you look to AL and machine learning solution integration game launch, so this is too much important for that, because they want to, then this is the first question in 2022 and they want to directly list the game. So it is too much better for that. You don't want to miss this one token, you must be participating in that. and staking also they want to do. And after that, if you look to the 2022 battle mode release, battle mode is it means they also want to give some mods to also want to add some mods to the game. After third party betting and solution integration, after that if you look to 2022 question number 4, adds services integration, race championship launch. And you can also, if you look to, they also want to continue and also do some different for in the future. So this is a team I really like this one team, because this team is awesome. And if you look to this team will be work hard too much, so I highly recommend it. And if you look to back they will be do with many type of projects. You can see right here they will be done many type of partnership with many companies, so I highly recommend it. You must be participating in this token. If you like this one token about this one project, you must be subscribe my channel for more interesting video. And if you want to free of cost giveaways and airdrops, so you must be follow my Telegram channel, because I there I want to give completely free of cost giveaways and as well as airdrops. So thank you so much, thanks for watching, see you in next video, thanks a lot.